In today's video, I will teach you how to change eye color in photos using PicMonkey. Let's get started. Changing eye color or simply just making your eye color pop more on your image is very easy in PicMonkey. Let's start by uploading your image into PicMonkey. Once the image is open in the editor, you can zoom in closer to the subject's eye by either pressing the zoom in button at the lower left side of the editor, or you can simply use the scroll wheel of your mouse. Now, go to the sidebar and open the Touch-Up tab. Now, scroll down and under the eyes category, select the eye tint option. Here, you can choose from these common eye color presets, or you can choose from the color spectrum to find something more specific. You can also use the eyedropper tool to pick up the exact color of your eyes. Simply click the eyedropper tool and click on the subject's eye. This will automatically adjust the selected color from the color spectrum as well as the hex code. Now, simply adjust each parameter to your liking. Most of the time, you only need to adjust the brush hardness, strength, and fade value. But if you're not sure how many adjustments to make and you would like to see the effect first before making the adjustments, you can go over the eye area first, and PicMonkey still allows you to adjust each parameter even if the effect is already applied. If you want to erase the effect to clean it up, you can switch to the eraser mode and use it to remove the effect from the parts where you don't need the effect on. Make sure to keep the outer parts darker than the eye color to make it look more natural. You can also apply this effect on top of each other to add more dimension to the eyes. Simply apply the first tint, then apply the second color tint on top of it. For lighter eye colors, make sure to also remove the effect on the subject's pupil to prevent any cloudiness in that area. To see the before and after of the image, simply go to the bottom right corner of the editor and click and hold the before and after icon. Now you know how to change or adjust eye colors in PicMonkey. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.